Heyo, welcome to day 2 of the Pin2Profit challenge. Congrats on finishing day 1. I'm super proud of you. If you didn't finish day 1 yet, go back, watch the video, do the homework. I promise the rest of the videos will be shorter than day 1's. So today will be super quick, super short. We're talking all about the most important thing about Pinterest, which is knowing who your ideal client is and who it is that you're pinning for. So with Pinterest and with anything in your business, you have to have a specific ideal client, and you need to know who it is that you're trying to serve. What are their pain points? What are their deepest desires? What do they need help with? And then most importantly, when they come to Pinterest, what are they searching for? And so you want to be that solution to their problem, whatever it is that they need help with. So this part, super important. And I want to give you an example of why it's so important that you have that specific ideal client and why you niche down. And I'll give you the example of my fitness business. So in my fitness business, I was doing all things health and fitness, and it was very kind of like lifestyle blog all over the place. And I was posting blog posts about keto, eating high fat, low carb, and getting the head of the Pinterest user. So they're searching for keto something, they find my blog post, they come to my blog, they read it, they go, wow, that was great. And they want more. And they look around at my blog and they're disappointed. It's all over the place. Like they really just wanted to learn more about keto, and my blog wasn't all about keto. So they're gonna go back to Pinterest. Change the scenario. That person searching for keto finds the blog post, comes to my blog, loves the content, and then sees everything else on my blog is keto. I have a free keto meal plan. I have a keto ebook, and I can help her get started eating high fat, low carb. She's gonna be excited, right? And she's gonna think this is exactly what I was looking for. So this part is so important that you figure out who it is that you're trying to serve, and we're gonna niche everything down. Reminder that your Pinterest account, it's for that person and it's not for you. So you can 100% be pinning your own stuff, but just put it on a secret board so that other people don't see it. So you don't need to have 2 separate Pinterest accounts or anything like that. That's too complicated. We want easy to follow through. So you can have one Pinterest account for your business and then just keep all of your own personal stuff private. So your whole focus, whole goal of your Pinterest account is adding value to your ideal client. So your homework for today is to list down 5 burning pain points that your ideal client has, and then flip the switch and write out their secret desires, what they truly want. And then brainstorm and write down 5 ways that you're going to add value to your ideal client's life through your pins and your Pinterest account. Okay, so that's it. I want you to do your homework and then post them in our Facebook community using the hashtag Pin2Profit Day 2. Join me live at 11 o'clock Eastern, because this stuff is hard in the beginning of your business, especially to niche down. And I know you're gonna have questions, and we can really dive in deeper into this and make sure you have ultimate clarity so you'll be able to move forward tomorrow. We're gonna dive in a little bit deeper into this stuff tomorrow too. So join me live. Do your homework, and just a reminder, we're giving away $1,000 towards one of our online courses. So to enter, make sure your Instagram account is public, do your homework, and then tag me with one of your biggest takeaways, something that you learned, something that you had an aha moment on, or something like that. Tag me on Instagram, She's Making an Impact, and use the hashtag She's Making an Impact. That's it. I'll see you for our Facebook Live.